This is a sculpture called the Maiden, and maidens quite traditionally are represented with long flowing hair, so that when we look back to medieval times, etc., a maiden would go on a maiden's procession and they would be on a cart and come through the village, and it would be a great honour to be the maiden on that procession, and you'd wear your hair down. And so in this case the hair is so long it's quite Rapunzel-like, and I've put the maiden on a towering pillar of virtue and innocence, and so the tower itself is as much a sculpture as the maiden, in that it's split and it's hollow, and there's these little tailor's dummy turnkeys. So again, I've talked about keys and the golden key so much in the past. Well, this is a tower, a fragile tower that you could adjust to suit. And what does make a maiden? What does make something that's pure and beautiful and attractive? Is it movement, or is it perfection in a magazine, or is it your mental strength? How do you measure that? How do you tailor it to fit modern society? You know, who are any of us to judge anyway? So it's a towering pillar of virtue upon which the maiden sits, crowned and naked and vulnerable to many things, but also representing beauty, but more of a mathematical beauty and an order, which suits the show and the portal, as she's, if you like, a guardian of virtue.